F. Rampulyo, 17 years old and in excellent health. I am a student of Lipa City Public College taking up Ladderized Education Program for BSCS, which is a two-year course and PESDA accredited. I have learned from an advertisement that your company is in need of encoder. From my experiences, I have undergone my first on-the-job training at RC Multi-Business Corporation, an affiliate of Standard Chartered Bank, wherein I learned more about computer application programs like computing using Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint presentation, and working on MS Word. I also learned how to mingle and interact with other people, especially to our customers. Having phone calls, assisting clients, and encoding personal accounts of our customers are the main duties I've done during my first OJT. After my first OJT, I undergone another training at EasyTouch Computer Center, wherein I learned the proper procedure, how to assemble system units, install Windows and application programs, networking, and how to troubleshoot common computer errors. Aside from my experiences, I am hardworking, fast learner, self-motivated, and I can work even under pressure or overtime. I hope that it will satisfy the qualification you need. For further information about my qualification and habits, may I refer to you to the attached curriculum vitae. No.